Magandang tanghali, kamusta po nating wantian? Isang naging bagyo ng Elfay kagabi at may lakas ng hangin na na 55 to 65 kilometers per hour at maglandfall sa Mindanao next 2 days. Please keep safe before the typhoon will come. And all of you, and repeat, don't get out in schools and don't save and don't school forever. And all of you and need to save and ask your help and you need to calm down and don't